Wes Towson.
Hi, guys.
Hello, Westies.
Hello.
It's your special areas team here.
My friend.
Hey, everybody.
Hello.
We just wanted to remind you that you still have special area courses and some expectations involved with that. And if you have any questions, we want to clarify some of the most common questions right now. We definitely miss you, and we can't wait to see you again. We've been popping into homerooms. But let's get started and just talk about some of the I guess there's like 4 or 5 main questions. The first thing is, how many assignments for special areas do you have per week? And right now the answer is you have 1 lesson per special area subject per week. But I know that right now some of you haven't gotten your packets, or you're having trouble with getting started for our first week of online learning. Mrs. Gleitzman, is there anything that you wanted to add about due dates?
Yes, so most packets, it says that the packet should be completed 1 assignment each week. So that ideally would be by Friday. But if you don't have your packet yet, feel free to take the time to complete 1 lesson per week. So since you might have heard about a lesson and missed last week's, then just complete it whenever you can. So if you can complete it Friday, great. If not, you can have a little bit more time.
And Mr. Ruth, you were saying something as well about the option between a paper packet and an online packet.
For elementary schools, we've gone to a packet model, a written down model. So remember, you only need to complete this once. Most of your teachers should be posting this online. So you can choose to do it online and take pictures. You can print it out, however you want to do that, or you can wait for your print packet. You do not have to do these lessons twice. So we don't want you to stress over this. Just 1 is perfectly fine.
Great, thank you. So why don't we go on to our next subject, which is how to access those special area tiles in Schoology.
Go to courses. When you click the main courses panel, you will get a list of all your courses. Now, these are all the courses that I teach. So as a student, you will see your math, your reading, your science, social studies, health. You'll see all of your special area courses as well. So again, you can click courses and then the menu will drop down. Or if you click the bcps.schoology page, it will take you to the main page. And I have mine set up where it says course dashboard. And then I can see all my classes that I teach as well.
And that's exactly where you want to go if you want to click for the online version of the lessons we give out each week. So this upcoming week will be week 2. And we're going to talk about that a little bit more in a minute. But right now, we want to explain how to get in contact with us. So if you have a question about special areas, the best place to direct that question to is your special area teachers and not your homeroom teachers. So instead of messaging, your 3rd grade teacher, you should probably message Mrs. Gleitzman or Ms. Sells or whoever you need to speak with. You can message us on Schoology or have mom or dad send an email. Or if you want to meet with us on Google Meet, we have Google Meet pages on our Schoology tiles on it for each special area. Send us a message on Schoology or email and say, hey, can we have a code? And then we'll send you the code right there and you can get in really quickly one-on-one. So if you're answering questions online for some of the discussions, please make sure that you're answering the questions completely and you really know what you're answering. I've gotten a lot of incomplete sentences or incomplete ideas so far. Not everyone, but it's new to us, so online learning can be a little overwhelming at first. You want to make sure you're giving a clear explanation.
Also make sure it's on task too. Feel free to respond to others, but don't just say, hi, hello, how are you, what's up? Your teachers might have given you another place that you can comment and chat. Our discussions may not be the best for that. So an example might be, great idea, and then the student's name. Or, I also agree, and then your classmate's name.
Yes. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to give you a little extra help for your first or for your second week here on getting started on your assignments. We're just going to give you the basic objective of your lesson. We're going to go around from each class and we're going to share, maybe one discussion question. And if there's any materials involved or a little picture we want to show, just so you can find the assignment easier or understand what the questions or the instruction is.